sweeties. I've got a new gadget to unbox. This is the Emeril pressure air fryer. It is the 6-quart version, and I bought the 6-quart version with the auxiliary pack and the 6-quart version with the accessory pack. I can't speak. So I ordered off of Amazon, and I'll put the links in the description box. It comes in 6-quart and 8-quart, and you can buy either the 6-quart or the 8-quart with or without the accessory pack. So we'll see what the accessory pack has in it. And at the time I purchased it off of Amazon, this one with the 6-quart with the accessory pack was $239.99 with Amazon Prime. But prices will vary depending on when you watch this video. So without further ado, let's get to it. And it was shipped just right in the box that it comes. It's not in like a box inside another box, which is good to cut down on packaging. So let's start with this owner's manual. Let's take a quick look, see what comes in this pack. So, owner's manual, startup guide, it's an easy quick start, and also tells you about how to use your accessories, and this recipe book. So I'm actually really excited about this. You know, this is similar to the Ninja Foodi, which was, I believe, the first combination pressure fryer and air cooker. So now Emeril has come along with his version, and I wasn't crazy about the Ninja Foodi's recipe book. I thought like the recipes were not well thought out, not very well seasoned, timings were off. But now I'm hoping, I'm praying, I think Emeril will have a great recipe book. We'll see. Let's see what comes with it. A glass lid. Comes with a glass lid. And, oh, look at that. So this is, you know, with the accessory pack, you get, oh, let's try and get this out. A springform cake pan. And let's see, does it say what size springform cake pan it is? Looks like it's about 7 inches, but I will have to check to be sure. Steamer basket. Styrofoam. And let me put this box down on the floor. Oh. Then the unit. And this looks like the pressure cook lid. Yeah, looks like the pressure cook lid. Figure this out in a second. All right. And then the air fry lid. The air fry lid. All right, that's all that was in the box. I'm gonna put all this other stuff aside, and let's take a look at this unit. And I will do a side-by-side comparison. Why can't I take the top off? I will do a side-by-side comparison between the Ninja Foodi, which I've worked with for about a year now, and the Emeril pressure cooker air fryer. Let's take a look inside the pot. Comes with these, I guess, to keep stuff from wiggling around. But you've got to push this top switch down in order to open it. And let's see what's going on in here. Oh, more stuff. This is the power cord. This comes with a rice paddle. Looks like a rice measuring cup. I'll have to read the directions to see what that is. I don't know. And the power cord, which unlike the Ninja Foodi, it comes with a power cord that can detach. So you will plug it in down here and it can detach from the unit. And that's a good safety feature. Usually these kind of appliances come with a short cord. And with this, if anybody trips or pulls on this cord, it detaches from the unit and it won't pull it off of the counter. That's interesting. We've got, let's see what this is here. Oh, it's got a trivet. I'll have to get some scissors and unhook that. A couple of trivets. Another steamer basket. This is a much larger one. Another, looks like a cake pan. So it does come with quite a few accessories for that accessory pack. Another cake pan. Take that out. And here is the cooking pot. And it comes with this, looks like all stainless steel cooking pot. There we go. And like I said, I will show you the side-by-side comparison between Emeril's pressure air fryer and the Ninja Foodi so you can see all of the differences. Let's take a look. Take a look at the functions that's on the front. So it's got the different functions listed there. Pressure, sous vide. Oh, look at that. Interesting. Steam, saute, timer, temp, slow cook, air fry, canning, yogurt, delay timer, and keep warm, cancel. And then it has this knob here on the front. Let's see what happens when we plug it in. Let's see what that dial does. So I guess that's if you press one of these functions. Oh, and it changes the time and the settings with this knob. Okay. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look at that air fry lid too. Flip it over. It's got the heating coil, this grate to cover it. There's probably like a fan in there. Okay. And here you can see, this is the top of the pressure cook lid. Pull out for cleaning. Oh, I have to put this down so I can pull it out. But it's got the sealing ring around there. It's a different design than I'm used to seeing in pressure cookers. Let's take a look at the specifics. All right, so it's got the LCD digital display with 44 preset functions, slow cook, rice cook, braised simmer, saute bake, yogurt maker, sous vide. I'm really interested in that. Came with the extra large crisping basket. This unit is 1450 watts. The Airfryer crisper lid we showed. The pressure cook lid, the glass lid, and the cookbook. Let's look at the cookbook and see what kind of recipes, and then y'all can help me decide what to cook first in the Emeril Lagasse pressure air fryer. Let's see what they're talking about. Okay, Emeril's pressure air fryer recipe book. It's a word from Emmy award-winning television personality and James Beard Award-winning personality Emeril Lagasse, startup guide, cooking presets, pressure cooking. It's got, that rack is a 2-level rack, so I'll have to put that together. Hang on. So here are some of their recipes: mac and cheese, Creole shrimp, deviled eggs, caramelized Brussels sprouts. That looks really good. I would like to give that a shot. Ooey gooey blueberry French toast, lasagna, chili, lots of good options. Fried chicken, olive oil spray, interesting. Pizza dough, pulled pork, pizza, chicken pot pie. Ooh, pizza burger. That's interesting. All right, so let me keep flipping through that. Shrimp and ham jambalaya. What looks good to you? Oh, braised lamb shanks. I love lamb shanks. Stuffed bacon wrapped meatloaf. Okay, I'm going to let you guys decide which recipe between the braised lamb shanks or the stuffed bacon wrapped meatloaf. Which one of these would you like to see me prepare in this Emeril Lagasse pressure cooker air fryer? So leave me a comment and let me know if you want me to make braised lamb shanks or stuffed bacon wrapped meatloaf. And we will see which recipe gets the most votes. Beef bourguignon. All right, Asian style ribs. So the recipes look great. We'll find out when we test it some more. But that, folks, is the rundown. Oh, you know what? I didn't get the dimensions. Hang on one second. Let me get the size of this. It is pretty large, pretty tall as well. Here are those racks I was telling you about. It looks like you can use them separate or you can stack them one on top of the other and use them together. A double layer of racks that goes in there. So that's good. And for the size, this unit, let's bring it up a little bit. This unit is about 14 inches across and 15 inches high. At the widest parts, it does measure about 14 inches wide, and with the air fryer lid on, just about 15 inches high. So we'll take up quite a fair bit of space, and then you'll need some place to put all of the accessories. But again, you don't have to order it with all the accessories. You can order just like the base unit and not the accessory pack. So keep that in mind if storage space is an issue. All right, that is it. I hope I've given you some good basic information in this unboxing of the Emeril Lagasse pressure cooker air fryer combination unit, multi-functional. Please leave me a comment and let me know which recipe you want me to start with, the lamb shanks or the stuffed bacon wrapped meatloaf. They both sound delicious, honestly. Either would be good. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up, that notification bell so you can get more recipes, videos, demos, product demos, just like this one, and have a delicious day. Oh yes, and remember to click on my face to subscribe.